Hello, in this video I'll do a comparison for between the wireless and wired transfer speeds on your GoPro Lit Hero. So at first we'll transfer the files from the device onto the phone, and then we'll basically see how it transfers onto a computer via a cable. Okay, so I have the phone right here, and what I'll do is I'll actually first enable the preview, so I'm already connected with the Wi-Fi of the camera, so we don't count the connection time, and we only count the transfer times. I'll also put another phone right here so we could actually see how long it takes. So I'll just get another phone and open the clock app there, and we'll do a timer, a stopwatch basically. So let's put the camera here, let's put that other phone here. Okay, you can see I'm already connected to the Wi-Fi of the camera, which means I'm connected to the camera. And now if I go to view media, well, I don't really want to do AirDrop here. Okay, yeah, I have this 1 minute and 50-second long video here, so let's transfer it. I'll first click on it, then let's wait for it to load. Okay, and now we'll have the download button, so let's press on it, and now it is starting to transfer the file. You can see it is going, and in a moment I'll transfer the same exact file but onto the computer. Most likely we'll use the GoPro Player app. Yeah, as you can see, it takes around half a minute from what I can see. And done. So it was 33 seconds, almost, yeah, 33 and a half seconds. Now let's connect the camera to the computer and see that. Okay, now I'm on the computer. I'll do it like that so we could see everything. Okay, yeah. Let's go into the camera, let's go into the CIM files, and let's find the correct file. Also, we'll find out how big the file actually was. So it is 620 megabytes, not that big, right? So I think that the transfer speeds should be pretty quick. I'll do a Control-C. And let's go into maybe the desktop. I'll just copy it into the desktop. So let's do Control-V and start the countdown. As you can see, it is way faster, of course. But is it like, I mean, yeah, it's, I think I'd say twice as fast. And you can see we have the file here. So this is 18.6 seconds, and the previous one was 33.6. So that is the difference. And also on the phone, I was using the 5 GHz connection, which is faster. So that is also worth noting. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.